Okay, you guys, so I have an Easter gift for the teachers, and I wanted to share it with you. I did this last year, and I fell in love with it. I picked up these jewelry boxes at the Dollar Tree. So as soon as I found them again, I posted it so you guys could go ahead and pick them up yourselves. They are $5. They're at the dollar store. They're really pretty. They're one of my favorite boxes out there. And I posted it on Instagram as well as TikTok. So I did the video so you guys can go and get it as soon as I found it. Now they should be clean. Yeah. If they're not clean, go ahead and grab a towel, a wipe, even an alcohol swab, and go ahead and clean it. I'm going to use a tissue just to make sure, but they're really pretty. So this is what I'm going to put on them. This is the first teacher. And this is the second teacher. And I'm doing this beautiful gold. Look at how pretty that is. That I thought would be perfect with it. I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite transfer tape. You guys can use whatever you want, but this is the one that I use the most. I'm going to use the same one for both. I don't want to waste anything. You guys go ahead and download the code so you could get $5 off your first order for the transfer tape. Trust me, you're going to love it. This transfer tape is really good. It has the grid lines, so it guides you. You see those little lines? They're going to guide you through the whole thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab it. You're going to take off. Let me show you real quick. You're going to put it right where you want it. You're going to use your scraper. And you're going to scrape it. You're going to lift it. And it's going to lift with the whole design. If it doesn't lift, it's because you didn't scrape it enough. And you do it again. You see how it's gonna just lift it? Don't get scared. Take your time. Go slow. And then you're gonna add it right into your jewelry box. Okay, when you're adding this, make sure you get it exactly where you want it. Once you put it down, you're not gonna be able to lift it. So I want it right in the middle. I'm going to press it down with my hands. You guys, how does that look? How beautiful is that going to be? Now the bottom of it is glass. It's a mirror. So it's going to look really pretty. Okay, once you press it down, you're going to lift it. And when I mean lift it, you're going to lift it really gently. And I'm going to show you how it looks. How beautiful is that? I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. And I'm going to bring it down here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it. Make sure there's no smudges on there. You can clean the mirror as well. Look, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I didn't even notice it was back down there. Once you peel that off, I'm going to get ready to do the next one. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to put it right in the middle. I'm going to use my scraper. Now this is the teacher's name. I did the cross different on this one. As you can tell, that one's, look at an open cross. This one's like the whole thing. Okay? Because I didn't want it to look the same. Like, I'm not mad that it does. I just didn't want it to look entirely the same. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Once I have the middle, I'm pressing it with my fingers because I want it to stay, and I really want it to stay. I'm gonna lift it carefully. You saw how that, the U. So now I'm gonna lift it more carefully. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and press it because I don't want this to lift. So by pressing it, it's gonna stay on there even better. I can show you if you want to see how it came out. Isn't that gorgeous? They're gonna love this gift. This is a gift that I really love to give to the teachers for Easter because it's their name, it's custom, and it's gorgeous. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna add there is I'm gonna add shredded paper. Now you don't have to, but I kind of want to add shredded paper. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add it on both. Now I'm going to move my camera back so you guys can get a bigger view of this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add shredded paper, and I'm using the dollar store one. The boxes are from the dollar store. Everything is gonna be gorgeous, hopefully. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna add is a hand sanitizer, and I'm gonna go with the cocoa coffee scented. This is gonna be perfect, you guys. Look how pretty that is. So I want to add the hand sanitizer there. So you could go ahead and add that. I am adding chocolate, of course, and I think I want to add 3 of them on the corner. You can add as many as you want, of course, but I go with the whole theme like always. How cute is that already? Now, because I did the I'm gonna do a Starbucks gift card since I am going with the whole coffee thing, and it is Easter. I kind of wanted to do this, like, it's kind of like a pink, but it has gold in it. I thought it would be great with the colors that I'm going to go ahead and put. So I'm going to put my gift card in there. And I want to add this in the back. I want to add my hand sanitizer in the front. This is a cute, simple gift. And I'm going to go ahead and add one more thing, you guys. I made this myself. It is a DIY that I made. I'm actually going to go ahead and give them in the giveaway. This is a wood cross, and I painted it gold. I added a magnet on here. I thought this would be great to give the teachers as a gift. How cute is that? Now I can add more chocolates if I want to. I can go ahead and add them on the top, which I do have. But I don't know how that's gonna look. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I add it on the top? Or should I just close it up like that? No, I mean, I have the chocolates, but I think it's prettier like this. With the 3. I think adding it to the top is too much. What do you guys think? I don't know. I really like them. They're simple, but yeah, they're cute. They're custom. It has chocolate. It has a gift card. It has a hand sanitizer. I can add another thing if I want to. I don't want to overload the gift, but look how cute that is. It has their name on there, and I'm loving it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. They're custom. They're beautiful boxes. Once they're able to grab the stuff out, they can go ahead and use them for clips. They could put paper clips in here. They could put mini pencils. They can put so many things. I can add another hand sanitizer. I can add the case in there, which I don't think it'll fit though. The problem with the case is it's not gonna fit. Look how bulky it is. I can take it out of the case and I can add I can actually put them in the case as well. So many ideas come to my mind when I'm doing these projects, but I really like how it looks like that. Maybe if I was doing something different, I would add the case on there, but I like it like that. Now, what do you guys think? Simple yet pretty. I hope they like the magnet. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you join my Easter giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hugs and kisses, and until next time, bye you guys.